In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add a folder to our tour. The first thing we need to do is click Add Folder. Once you have clicked on the main menu and selected Add and add a folder, you can type in a name for your folder. This is also a name for your tour. So if I was creating a tour about animals, I could call this folder Animal Tours. Then I can type in a description for my tour. Once you have typed in a general description for your tour, you can click OK. This will create a folder on the left-hand navigation in which you can add your place marks. Once I have created my folder, I can click Add Place Marks. And I can start creating the place marks that will go in my folder.